A very warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. The Aam Aadmi Party on Tuesday announced its candidates for all the 70 seats for the February 8th Assembly election in Delhi, with party chief and CM Arvind Kejriwal contesting from New Delhi. Atishi will contest from Kalkaji and Raghav Chadha from Rajendra Nagar. The party has given tickets to at least 23 new faces, including Atishi, Dilip Pandey and Raghav Chadha, who unsuccessfully contested the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. However, only 8 women could make it to AAP's list of candidates, only 2 more since 2015 elections. The Kejriwal-led party has dropped 15 MLAs. Broadband internet will be partially restored for institutions in Kashmir Valley after more than 5 months of blackout. The process, which will be conducted in phases, will start today. Social networking sites, however, will remain under complete restriction. The institutions that would be given internet access will include government websites and websites dealing with essential services like e-banking. Access would be first allowed in central Kashmir, including state capital Srinagar, which will be followed by North Kashmir, Kupwara, Bandipora and Baramulla, and 2 days later, South Kashmir, Pulwama, Kulgam and Shopia and Anantnag comes last after another 2 days. Congress leader Manishankar Aiyar is at the center of controversy once again for his contentious remarks. Aiyar visited Shaheen Bagh, where the anti-CAA NRC protests were taking place since a month in Delhi on Tuesday. During his visit, Manishankar Aiyar addressed the crowd and compared the government to killers. He said, "I am ready to make whatever sacrifices needed. Now let's see whose hands are stronger, ours or those killers." He became a laughing stock on the Twitter over his visit. Delhi BJP chief Manoj Tiwari has tweeted out a video appeal for hundreds of women and children who have been protesting in the Shaheen Bagh area of the city for a month now against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the proposed National Register of Citizens. In the video, BJP MP urges protesters to call off their agitation as he attacks Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for ignoring the plight of lakhs of people facing inconvenience because of the protests. Losing his temper at a public event on Tuesday, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa got up and almost walked off the stage until he was persuaded to stay by the Lingayat seer. What rattled the Chief Minister was that the seer's pitch for a cabinet post for a BJP MLA during a religious rally. While addressing the rally, Yediyurappa even offered to resign. He stressed that he was compelled to take care of the 17 rebel MLAs who had left their parties to help make him the Chief Minister. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos visited the memorial to Mahatma Gandhi in Delhi after he landed in India on Tuesday. He posted a video where he is seen wearing a white kurta and an orange half jacket, carrying a colorful wreath of flowers on the lawns of the memorial of Rajghat near central Delhi. After placing the flowers, he folds his hands to pray before walking away. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos arrived in India for a 3-day visit on January 14th. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.